Breastfeeding is one of the best ways to nourish your baby, but it can also leave new parents wondering whether everything is going as it should. One of the easiest ways to tell if your baby is feeding well is by paying attention to what's in the diaper. Surprisingly, your baby's poop can reveal a lot about their health, hydration, and how effectively breastfeeding is going. In this video from Pump with Sophia, we'll walk you through what different poop colors, textures, and patterns mean so you can feel more confident during your breastfeeding journey. During the first day or two after birth, your baby will pass meconium. This thick, sticky, black or dark green stool is made up of materials your baby swallowed in the womb. It's completely normal and shows that your baby's digestive system is working properly. As breastfeeding becomes established and your milk starts coming in, the poop gradually changes from dark green to a lighter green, then finally to a mustard yellow color. Once your mature milk has arrived, a healthy breastfed baby's poop is usually mustard yellow, soft, and seedy, often resembling cottage cheese mixed with mustard. Some stools may be looser than others, and that's perfectly normal. Unlike adult diarrhea, breastfed baby poop is naturally runny, so don't be alarmed by its consistency if your baby is otherwise feeding well, gaining weight, and acting normally. The frequency of bowel movements also changes with age. During the first few weeks, many breastfed babies poop after almost every feeding. This is a good sign that milk is moving through their digestive system. After about 6 weeks, it's also completely normal for some exclusively breastfed babies to poop only once every few days or even once a week, as long as the stool remains soft and your baby is comfortable. Breast milk is so efficiently digested that there may be very little waste left to pass. Poop color can provide important clues. Mustard yellow is ideal, while shades of green may occasionally occur and are often harmless. Green stools can happen if your baby is getting more formilk than hin milk, if your milk supply is abundant, or sometimes after a mild illness. Orange or brown stools can also be normal. However, white, pale gray, or chalky stools require immediate medical attention because they may signal a liver or bile duct problem. Bright red blood or large amounts of black stool after the meconium stage should also be evaluated by a healthcare provider. Tiny streaks of blood can sometimes appear if your baby has a small anal fissure from passing stool or if they swallowed blood from cracked nipples during breastfeeding. While this isn't always an emergency, it's still worth discussing with your pediatrician, especially if it happens more than once or is accompanied by other symptoms. The smell of breastfed baby poop is usually mild and slightly sweet. It should not have the strong, foul odor that's more common in formula-fed babies. If your baby's stool suddenly becomes extremely foul-smelling, watery, and frequent, especially with fever or poor feeding, it could indicate an infection and deserves medical evaluation. Remember that poop is only one piece of the breastfeeding puzzle. Wet diapers, steady weight gain, good feeding behavior, and a content baby are equally important signs that breastfeeding is going well. By learning what's normal, you'll spend less time worrying and more time enjoying these precious early weeks with your baby. Thanks for watching Pump with Sophia. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based breastfeeding tips and newborn care advice to help you feel confident every step of the way.